Need to write a blog about design, tools, visuals, or social media graphics, but don't want to waste hours making it look good? In this video, I'll show you how to generate a complete design-focused blog using Autoblogging.ai. Blog that you're seeing right now with designs, layout, SEOs, and extras like FAQs, infographics, all were done in under 3 minutes, and I'll walk you through exactly how to go from a blank screen to ready-to-publish blog in minutes. Inside your dashboard, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where you walk through every blog setting step by step. Now for the article title, I'm typing how to create eye-catching graphics in minutes. No fancy software needed. Make sure your title is clear and keyword rich. It guides everything else. For the language, I'm going to stick with English, or you can also choose from 30 supported languages depending on your audience. You've got like Spanish, Hindi, German, French, and more. For the article length, I'm going to go with medium for this kind of tutorial. It's enough to explain tools and steps, and it's also easy to read. But here's a quick breakdown. Short is for updates or a short tips, and long is an in-depth tutorial or pillow pages. Great for SEOs. Now here I'm going to pick informative because we are explaining a process, tools and tips. But here's what others do. Listicle is a numbered format like top 10 free design tool. Places is for location-based blogs, and service or landing pages is a content for landing pages like hire a graphic designer. So informative. I'm going to go with second person here, so the article speaks directly to the reader. I'm going to select professional here. It works great when clarity and trust matters. Here's what other style do. Auto lets AI pick based on the context. Less AI words is more natural tone. Premium style one is for SEO optimized. Snippet optimizer is perfect for Google answer box. Witty is more fun and informal, and conversational is friendly. Now here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense Optimize article. It improves keyword structure and flow. FAQs will add search relevant questions that people are searching on Google. AI images will add visuals with alt text and caption. Infographics will add or include step-based visual explanation. SERP analysis. Now what Autoblogging.ai does here is it scans the top ranking results on Google for your blog topic, then uses that structure to build your article so your content is ready and optimized to complete in search. You just have to enable this, and on the source context box, quickly write how you need your article to be, and in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you need to top at first, and here I'm going to click on all the 4 boxes. Now outline from competition. It builds your layout using top ranking blogs. External links will pull in resources like Canva tutorials or blog links. YouTube video will add design related videos for that extra value in the blog, and key takeaways will add a summary box at the end of your article. AI proofreading. Turn this on, and if you want AI to clean up tone and flow, just guide it here, and it makes the content smoother without rewriting anything yourself. Internal linking. Now if you already have design blogs or related content, just enable this and drop your domain here, so Autoblogging will automatically add internal links. It is great for SEO and keeping readers on your site for longer. Human proofreading. Now if you want a real person to check this article, enable this and add a note here. Let's say, make sure all tool names are accurate or keep the tone beginner friendly. For this, you will require a human proofreading credit, which you can always purchase from your dashboard, but it's optional. Hit on generate article and click on the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view like icon here. That's it, your article is done. You've got the full-blown written SEO structure built in with images added, with captions and alt text, FAQs, infographics, and everything wrapped up in under 3 minutes. And next time, if you want to skip this section, you can always go to quick and single. You just have to enter the title and a few clicks and your article will be ready. Or you can also use our bulk generate option where you can upload to from 10 to 100 titles at once, and it is great for planning weekly post or agency work. And you can connect your WordPress and hit auto publish so the blog goes live straight to your site. Building content around design, visuals, or social media, don't waste time on formatting, writing, or research. Autoblogging.ai helps you get it all done. If you're busy with client work or launching a new brand, you can also try our Done For You blog service where we'll handle the full content for you. And if this helped, hit a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop your next topic below.